Welcome. If you've ever found yourself squinting at small text while browsing on Google Chrome, you're not alone. Today, I'll show you the quickest way to change the text size in Chrome so you can enjoy a more comfortable reading experience, no matter what website you're on. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your device and navigate to the webpage where you want to adjust the text size. This way, you'll see the changes in real time as you make them. Next, look for the three dots in the top right corner of your Chrome window. That's the main menu button. Tap it and a drop-down menu will appear. From here, scroll down and select Settings. This is where you'll find all the options to customize your browsing experience. Inside the Settings menu, look for the section labeled Accessibility. Tap on it to open up accessibility features designed to make Chrome easier to use for everyone. Now, you'll see an option called Text Scaling. This is the tool you'll use to change how large or small the text appears on websites. To adjust the text size, simply use the text scaling slider. Drag it to the right to make the text larger, or to the left to make it smaller. As you move the slider, the text on your current web page will instantly resize, letting you find the perfect setting for your eyes. If you ever want to reset things back to normal, just move the slider back to the middle, or look for a reset option if it's available. And that's all there is to it. With just a few taps, you can make text on any website easier to read in Google Chrome. No more straining your eyes or reaching for your glasses every time you browse. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out our other tips for making your digital life easier. Happy browsing.